A round of applause, please.
Hello, good morning everyone. Naririnig niyo po ba ako?
Yes, sir. Loud and clear.
Okay. Okay. So, in Waray, maupay na bibitan. Maupay. So, kumusta na mo, Dida? So, how are you today? Okay lang? So, medyo dito sa Cebu, medyo okay naman yung panahon. So, I'm happy na despite of the weather condition that is happening in our main office down in Manila, tuloy pa rin. So, before I'm going to start, can I share my screen first?